What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing something that I've wanted to do for some time now. I'm actually going to be setting up my car for a camper setup. That's right. I've got a little SUV, but it's always been a dream of mine to set up the back for a camper setup and just go out and camp out of my car. So today I'm going to be making that a reality. So we are at Walmart right now. I'm going to go inside, grab a few things I need, and then I'm gonna go set it up, and I'm gonna show you guys what I come up with in the end. So let's go into Walmart, grab a few things, stay tuned. Just got out of Walmart and I grabbed a few things. I got a heater, some propane for the heater. I got a little storage compartment that I can put stuff in. Got a cutting board, a knife, a carbon monoxide detector, and a couple other things. I just got back from Walmart, and the first thing I need to do before setting up this whole setup is cleaning out all of my fishing junk that's in here that's accumulated in the back of the car. So I've got a lot of stuff. Tackle boxes, hats, just random stuff that's laying in the back of my car from fishing. So I'm gonna clean all that up, move it all out, get myself a clean pallet to work with, and then we will get to setting up the car for the camping setup. To work with. I have a Toyota RAV4, so it is a smaller sized SUV, but I think it is plenty of room to do this camper build with the two seats laid down and then possibly even the very front seat all the way up. There is a lot of room in this car. So first things first, I'm gonna remove all this stuff, get a clean slate to start working on, and we're gonna start setting it up. Unfortunately, the cot is too long for this car, so we're gonna have to cut the cot out of the design. Might take a slight hit on the comfort when sleeping, but I do have a camping air mattress, so hopefully that is enough. If not, I'm gonna have to figure out something about the cot, try and order a smaller one, something along those lines, but let's keep going. And I'm in. I made it. All right. Just got done setting up the majority of the build. And look at this. I have a fully functioning bed. The bed's actually pretty soft. I'm actually kind of digging it. I mean, I wasn't able to get the cot in here. It did not fit. It was actually too long. But I do have a camping mattress, and I have 2 layers of sleeping bags and then a nice camping mattress. So it really isn't bad. I mean, I've already been laying on this for a minute, and it is actually quite comfortable. All right, so I've got a few things left to do. I didn't even show you guys everything I got at Walmart. So the things I got was, I got this, which is just a little storage container. I need to get some bungee cords or some rope, something that I can secure this with, because it is a little tall and I was worried about it falling over. I wanted to find something that was just too high, but they only had 3. So I got that. I got some cutting boards for cutting up food. I got a knife. I bought a fillet knife just because it had a nice sheath on it and I wanted to stay safe. And I figured it'd be a very sharp knife in general, but I'm going to use this for fruits, veggies, meat, whatever it is I need to cut. This is what I'm going to be using. And then I also bought some matches for starting fire. And then I got a propane mini heater. This is going to come in clutch because it is winter, and I think lows right now are getting around 20s at night. So propane heater is something I will need. And then I also got some propane and a carbon monoxide detector just to stay safe. I'm not going to run this thing at nighttime. I'm going to run it probably before bed, warm up the car, get as much heat in here as possible, and then turn it off. I'm not going to run it at nighttime. But I do want to have a carbon monoxide detector in here just to be safe. I mean, I'd rather be safe than sorry with that kind of stuff. It's just not safe to have this thing in here and not have a carbon monoxide detector along with it. So that is everything I've got. I'm going to start setting up. I did realize, unfortunately, I forgot my list at home, and I cannot shop without a list just because I simply forget everything. But the one thing I need that I forgot is insulation for all these windows, because that is where most of the heat or most of the cold is going to come from, is these windows. They are obviously not going to insulate the car at all, pretty much, nearly at all. And also just for privacy too. Like, I'm going to be camping, for the most part, I'll be camping out in the woods, so I don't really need privacy. But if I decide to do an urban camping, say I want to camp in a Walmart parking lot or something like that, I mean, there is just so much space. There's so many windows, so much glass for people to just look in here and look at me. And I would like some privacy. So I'm going to probably go to the hardware store later, go and pick up some insulation just to block those windows and keep as much heat in here as possible. But, I mean, I'm actually very happy with this. I mean, it is quite comfy. I mean, I could easily sleep right here. Easily sleep. I just climbed in here and the car pulled up and the guy just watched me take my shoes off and climb into my car and close the door behind me. It's so funny. It is actually hilarious. I said it earlier in the video. I had all my laid out and the car was completely open, and I was setting up the tarp of the car, and this lady and her dog walked by. The lady gave me the weirdest look you've ever seen, and it's just so funny if you're doing anything out of the ordinary, people they think you're a crazy person or something. I don't know. And then finally we've got our carbon monoxide detector. That, and then this is the negative. Alright, so we got that. Got some trash. Next thing is the heater. Let's get into this thing. Here we have it. This is a POV of my bed. My nice bed. It's actually quite soft. And my heater's right here. And then I've got my storage right there. Not too much in here right now. Just some newspaper, some matches, start my fires. And then I've got 2 cutting boards and a knife. So I do need to go grab from the hardware store. I want to get some bungees to secure this. And I also want to get some insulation for the windows. And after that, really, I think I'm ready to go in this. We made it back in. I did as much as I could with this build today. I forgot a lot of things at Walmart. It's pretty good, but I think tomorrow I'm gonna go pick up some bungee cords just so I know this thing won't fall over. And the installation, I don't know when I'll be able to get, simply because Walmart is a little bit of a drive. So I hope you all enjoyed today's video. I have been very excited to make a camper build video and also to go camping. I'm gonna be going camping in this very, very soon, so stay tuned on the channel for that. I also do want to apologize for taking a 2-week break from posting. I am in school right now, so can get hectic. I had 3 tests in like 2 days, so put a lot of effort and focus into those, and YouTube had to wait. But I am going to try and stick to a 1 upload per week schedule. Hopefully I can just get 1 video out on the weekends, but with school it is very tough. If you'd like to support the channel, please leave a like and subscribe, as well as comment down below what you'd like to see in the next video. I hope you all enjoyed this one, and I will see you in the next episode. And as always, stay hooked.